Hello guys, now let's start making a logo. First of all, what you need to do is to create a rectangle, uh, make its color black, and using direct selection tool, select the topmost anchor point and change its curve to end. Now copy and paste in front, and using shift, rotate it and place it to the bottom. Now align it. Now select all, and using shape builder tool, drag all over the place. Now copy and paste in front and rotate it to 180 degree. Now again select all, and using shape builder tool, click all over the enclosed surface. Now create a square between the created symbol. You can change the color whatever you want, as I've changed its color to gray because it gives more professional look. Now group and select the outer symbol and the inner square and align it to the center, horizontal and vertical align. Now keep in mind that while using the shape builder tool, it automatically creates the unnecessary anchor points. So carefully select all, select those unnecessary anchor points and delete them to get your desired perfect logo. You can also rotate the logo to some other angle, but I like this more. It looks more professional, the first one. So let's drag it out of the artboard and just pay attention to the first one, and type whatever the logo you want. Type your logo name. As you can see, I have also created my own color swatches. You can also create your own and apply it all over your logo to see which color looks best. And thanks for watching.